Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today we have another Louis Vuitton unboxing, so let's get into it. So I did some damage when I had canceled my Murakami orders. I had a few credits left, so I went ahead and picked up these guys. They're a little bit of smaller items, so I didn't necessarily think that they warranted their own video. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox them all in one. We do have about 4 pieces, so let's get right into it. Before I get started with today's video, I would really appreciate it if you can hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday as well as shorts every other day. So if you like that kind of content or simply want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's see what I got from Louis Vuitton. First 2 items that I purchased is not going to be in any box just because I wore it out of the store. And that is going to be my 2 Safari BB Bandos that I have put on my P9 Speedy. So I absolutely love reverse monogram, and so I wanted to protect the handles of the P9 just a little bit more, and I wanted to put reverse monogram bandos onto it. And I just think it adds another look to this bag that I absolutely love. I love the reverse monogram with the red detailing, and then on the other side of the bandeau, it does have the traditional monogram with some safari scripting on it, which I thought was super cute. And so I had my client advisor at Yorkdale put this on my bag just because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do it as well. And because I am a little bit OCD, I wanted them to be perfectly aligned. So I knew it would take me several tries. So I figured just let my client advisor do it since he's a professional. So this is what we bought first. And before I forget, each bandeau came in at $325 plus tax. So it was about $730 for the 2. So the next item that I purchased came in this bag right here. And if you're familiar with Louis Vuitton packaging, you're going to know that this is from their beauty line. And so the item that I got was just another lip balm, but I got it with the full casing just so that way I have a backup. I've been seeing TikToks online where people's lipstick cases and lip balm cases have started to get dented. So I just wanted to make sure that I had one as a backup in the event that mine does. As well as it looks like my client advisor also gave me some perfume samples. They gave me Ombre Levant, which is the scent that I tried in store and absolutely love. So I definitely have added that one onto my wish list. And then Afternoon Swim, which I already have the full bottle of this. So I'll probably keep this in my purse when I am out and about. And then we have the lip balm, which is beautifully wrapped in this Louis Vuitton tissue paper. And I'll come closer so you can see the box again. However, I did do a full unboxing of this and showed all the details. So if you wanted to watch that video after this, I will leave it linked down below or up in the cards. This one, I'm not going to go through all of the details of the lip balm, but I'll show you very quickly. So this is the packaging of the lip balm. Again, it just says the shade on the one side and then LV Balm. And then you get one fleur-de-lis. And then it's just like a little push drawer. Love that this packaging has the monogram motif around it. And then opening it up, you'll see your lip balm in the casing. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the Louis Vuitton packaging for this. So this one is just going to be a backup for me in the event my other one gets ruined. But I will obviously be using the balm that's inside of this one when my other one runs out. So that way I don't have to go and purchase another one. I realistically just wanted to have another casing available to me. And last but not least, item in this box is going to be, it's technically a toiletry bag, but I'm going to be using it as a little clutch. So the story time behind this one is every single year for work, I like to bring like a unique bag for my holiday party. And it's something that my coworkers have started to kind of like enjoy me doing. So this one I absolutely love just because in my family home, we have this always in the pantry, and it's just a really good snack item. And so the item that I picked up is in this dust bag. Any guesses? I know a couple of you have probably seen the short that I did on this bag. I couldn't wait. And so the bag slash clutch that I purchased was the popcorn bag. So I know a lot of people are going to be, Jonathan, why did you buy this? But I absolutely think this is so cute. At first, I thought it was in canvas, but it is actually this really soft leather material. And then on the inside, it does have a microfiber lining. And so I absolutely love this piece, and I plan on using it as like a little clutch, or maybe if I'm going to the movie theaters. I don't know. I thought this was super cute, and I am very into these kind of unique pieces right now, especially with getting the P9 and having the shopper tote and my paint can. I just think that this is going to be a really great addition into my collection. Here is what the bag looks like all popped up, and I was actually so happy that I was able to make use of that Nano No Way organizer that I got from Zoomoni. So I put the organizer in here so that way it makes it look like it's filled with popcorn, and it'll allow me to put my stuff in a more organized spot so that way it's not all moving around and I'm able to have that iconic shape still. So I absolutely love the look of this bag, and I think it's definitely going to draw some attention and definitely going to start some unique conversations. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. I plan to put this video out on Wednesday, and then Friday I plan to do the tag video that Mandy from Just One More Bag 01 tagged me in. And so I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm going to try and do 2 videos a week so that way my shorts are not as frequent, but we'll see how it goes. I'm just trying this out, but let me know down in the comment section below if you guys prefer more longer form content than short form content, and I will make it work. So with that being said, if you like this kind of content or simply want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.